My cousin, you missed something. You should be here to see Jamaica independence, celebration, dignity. You want to see Jamaica people rise to the occasion and decent up themselves to greet the birth of them new nation. Not a stone was fling, not a sample sting, not a soul act low and outrated, not a fight broke out, not a bad word short, as independence was celebrated. Concert out a street, a lane and park with big time acts performing. And we dance from in at the night till straight to morning. For the whole long month of August, independence was in prime. Everything was independence thing around independence time. Independence pen and pencil, cup and saucer, glass and tray. Down to independence baby born, pan independence day. It was a sight for curious story, you see. Independence, celebration, dignity.